Drama queen. Someone who overreacts and makes everything a big deal. She's such a drama queen, always crying over small stuff. Don't be a drama queen. It's not that serious. Slacker. Someone who avoids work or responsibility. No one likes working with slackers. He's a slacker, always late and lazy. Pushy. Too aggressive, always forcing others. Salespeople can be so pushy sometimes. She's too pushy about her opinions. Couch potato. A lazy person who watches too much TV. He's a total couch potato, just eats and watches TV all day. Don't be a couch potato. Go for a walk. Full of hot air. Someone who talks a lot but says nothing useful. That guy is full of hot air. He never gets things done. Don't believe him, he's just full of hot air. A pain in the neck. Someone or something really annoying. My little brother is a pain in the neck sometimes. This homework is such a pain in the neck. Snake in the grass. A person who is secretly dishonest or harmful. Watch out for him, he's a snake in the grass. She acted nice, but turned out to be a snake in the grass. Crybaby. Someone who complains or cries too much. Stop being a crybaby and deal with it. She's such a crybaby about small problems. Two-faced. Fake, someone who acts nice but talks badly behind your back. She's two-faced. Smiles at you, then gossips about you. I don't trust two-faced people. Deadbeat. A person who avoids responsibility, especially not paying money. He's a deadbeat dad, never visits or pays support. Don't be a deadbeat, pay your bills. Backstabber. Someone who betrays you secretly. I thought she was my friend, but she's a backstabber. Nothing hurts more than a backstabber in your team. Piece of work, negative tone. A difficult or unpleasant person. He's a real piece of work, so rude and selfish. Wow, Your boss is a piece of work. Jerk. A mean or rude person. He's such a jerk for cheating on her. Only a jerk would say something like that. Smart aleck. Someone who annoys others by acting like a know-it-all. Don't be a smart aleck. Nobody likes that. He thinks he's clever, but he's just a smart aleck. Lame. Boring, weak, or not cool. That joke was so lame. His excuse was totally lame. Buzzkill. Someone who ruins the fun. Don't be a buzzkill, we're trying to enjoy. He was a total buzzkill at the party. Loose cannon. Someone who behaves unpredictably and dangerously. He's a loose cannon, you never know what he'll do. They didn't promote her because she's a loose cannon. Cheapskate. A person who hates spending money. He's such a cheapskate, he won't even buy lunch. Only a cheapskate would bring water to a coffee shop. Control freak. A person who wants to control everything and everyone. She's a control freak, won't let anyone do anything their way. I can't work with control freaks. I need freedom. Weirdo. A strange person, often said in a mean way. He talks to himself a lot. What a weirdo! They think I'm a weirdo because I like old books. Airhead. A person who is silly or not very smart. She forgot her bag again, what an airhead! Don't be an airhead, pay attention in class. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.